the year 2050. The shelves in grocery stores look different. Rice is expensive, vegetables are rare. Some farmers have left their lands because the rain stopped coming. This may sound like a story from the future, but the truth is, this story may already be beginning today. Hello, I'm Ms. BASITH FATHIMA, a 14-year-old student and a young reporter exploring an important question. How is climate change affecting the food on our plates? Food does not begin in supermarkets. It begins in the fields with farmers who depend on nature every single day. But what happens when nature itself begins to change?
வெதை மாறுறதோட இயற்கை மாறி போச்சு.
Across many regions, farmers are experiencing unpredictable weather, delayed rains, heat waves, and floods. These changes make farming more difficult and crops more uncertain. When crops struggle, the impact does not stop at the farm, it travels all the way to our houses. To understand how this affects everyday life, I visited a local vegetable market.
மழையும் கலந்து வருது. எப்போ மழை வருது?
Climate change can reduce harvests, and when supply goes down, food prices go up. In fact, scientists warn that climate change could significantly affect crop production in the coming decades if action is not taken. This means climate change is not just an environmental issue, it's a food security issue. But climate change is not the only challenge affecting food security. Another hidden problem is food waste. According to global estimates, nearly one third of all food produced in the world is wasted every single year. That means enormous amounts of water, energy, and land used to grow food are wasted as well. However, solutions can start small, even in our own schools and homes. For example, my school practices vermicomposting, where food waste is turned into natural fertilizer for plants. Instead of throwing away food, we create healthy soil that can grow more food. The future of food is not fixed. The choices we make today can change what our plates look like tomorrow. Supporting sustainable farming, reducing food waste, and protecting the environment are all part of the solution. Farmers, communities, scientists, and even students all have a role to play. Let's return for a moment to the year 2050. Will our plates be empty? Or will they still be filled with healthy, abundant food? The answer depends on what we do today. Because climate change is not just about the planet, it's about the food that feeds us all. This is as Basit Fatima reporting as a young reporter for the environment, exploring the connection between climate change and food security.